Hello everyone, welcome to TeamDMagency YouTube channel. So previous video I will show you how to upload it, products on Shopify store by manually, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a product manually on Google Merchant Center. Because by manually uploading is the best way to approving Google Merchant Center. So let's get started. Firstly, you open your Google Merchant Center and go to the product option. Here is the product option. You can see there is a diagnostic and product. Also, you can see how do you want to add your product or to Merchant Center. Upload a file with product data, and this is the way to adding your products by any file. But if you want to add it manually, one by one, then this option. So I just selected this add product, and after that he there have the targeted country, which country you want to do business. So my targeted country is United States, then language English, and destination display ads, free listing shopping ads. After the product identity filter exists, this you will remove this option. Okay, and don't need this option. After the product data, and there have the SQ. So I don't put right now any SQ because there have the many kinds of SQ in my store in my products. Because if I am going to adding the SQ here, then only one SQ I will do that. But I will show you how to edit the all SQ. So I'm going to adding the title. So what is my title? This is my title. Okay. I just put here the title and brand. What is the brand? Brand name. This is the my store name. My store name will be the brand name. Okay, so don't mistake this option, because many times you will don't recognize what will be your brand name. After that, this is the description. This is my description. You just copy and paste here. Okay. After that, the landing page link. What is the landing page link? Landing page link, here is the title link, I mean search bar. There is the showing the link, so you just copy this link and paste here. And after that is the image link. I have only one image, so I just link this copy image address, and I just paste here. Okay, then price. What is my price? My price will be $25. Okay, how much? 25 only. And availability in stock must be, you have to in stock. Then detailed product description, I mean how you added in there the variant and many things, so you have to put here. So condition is new, and I have an apparel or variant, so I have variant. So you just open here, and there you can see there's a color, size, gender, age group, material, pattern. So my color will be white. Okay, and then size will be small, medium, L, XL, double XL, and gender will be the female. Age group must be the adult. Item group, I have no any item group. Okay, then you can see this is the basic and advanced. If you want to edit the advanced option, then you just open here, and you can see the adult. Yes, this is the adult. And size will be the regular size. Okay, size system selected, and this is the USA. So you just select the US, and then have no others any option. Then you will be the continue. Okay, so now this is the option. Here is the wall color is white, size is small, medium, L, XL, double XL, gender, age group, ID or SKU. So ID or SKU is the different here. So I'm going to my backend and I just copy and paste here. Okay, copy and paste here. You must be do that by this way. Otherwise your GMC won't be reactive. So you have to be more patient when you will do this work. Without patience, you won't be success in your work. And GMC is a very demandable uh, site right now. Okay, yes, I put the all SQ, and after that you can see the variant title. Okay, and description variant link. So you must be will changing the variant link, because you can see when I click the medium, then your link will be changed. When I click the small, is changed. So use selected the small and copy the link, and you put here variant link. Okay, and by this way you copy and paste, copy copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Don't be hesitation, you just copy and paste it. Well, almost my work has done. Yes, I uploaded it. Yes, I uploaded all this, and then I just here is the continue. Okay, so you can see there is the missing domain link. Okay, where is the missing? I have to check it. Otherwise it won't be do work. Okay. Okay, you just select it by this way, and after that you copy and paste. After that all will be okay. You can see this it was the mistake. Excel size because just see what is the mistake. You can see the is the HTTPS is the double. Okay, and that's why it won't continue. Let's do that. Yeah, now is okay. So list the product, and after that you will own show you will only see your product picture, because just now you uploading your product. That's why you won't be able to see it. Here is the variant has been created. Yeah, almost done. Oh, that's great. So by this way you just do that, and I again said you have to be patient. You can see there have no any picture showing. So when your picture will be show, and here is the pending side will be show that disapproved, then after that you will go to our review button. Okay, so stay with TeamDMagency and subscribe our channel.